Hello, dear netizen. Welcome and nice to cross paths. Let's say you are designing a logo today and want a very specific color for the background of the design. That color happens to be on another website or image or anywhere on your screen. How do you get the exact shade? Let's explore. Imagine this is the web page where you found the inspiration and fell in love with the shade of red. How do you extract it out? There are two ways to do this. First one is using the Chrome browser's built-in Inspect option. Right-click on the page and click on Inspect. Then click on the little icon on the top left of the panel. You can now move your mouse cursor across the page to see the respective source code. Also, a pop-up panel displays color codes wherever it can detect a use. This is method 1. This may not work if the color you are after is in an image or the website is poorly written. That brings us to option 2, using a Chrome plugin called Colorzilla. This is a stunning plugin that instantly can pick color from the entire screen using its imaginary color dropper. Then it detects and automatically copies the hexadecimal color code onto your clipboard. You can see the hex color code on the top of the screen as it detects it. You can also manually open the plugin panel to see details. Once you have the color, you can instantly apply the new color to wherever you want and match the view. You can rinse and repeat this process anywhere in your design lifecycle, be it picking colors for a page, image, photo, dress, advertisement. It's easy. Hope this short video has been helpful. Feel free to drop your comments if you have any further questions. Thanks for stopping by.